just an introduction before we blow your mind. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sensational Locks, and I am back, and we about to get straight into it. Y'all saw that, right? When I saw it, I was like, oh, that's so cute, looks super simple, and I think it'll look really good with me and the locks. So let's jump into the prep. Here you see I am thoroughly misting my hair. It was dry, baby. I really needed to get off up in there, and I had to give myself a nice little scalp massage, and it was feeling way too good. Like, probably should have cut some of this footage because it was that. After I got her all fully prepped with just some distilled water, nothing special, I wanted to try to section out the locks that I was going to use to create this sort of cage style. And y'all, when it comes to parting, that's probably the only thing that, if I had to say as a regret about my locks, it would be that I did not ensure that I had a middle part. Everything else is okay. Like, I can deal with the fact that some of my locks are different sizes. I actually think that adds like character, but not having a defined middle part, that middle part. But anyway, so jumping right into the style and what should be easy, I'm grabbing what I thought was as close to symmetrical as possible, couple locks from each side, and bringing them down and banding them with a rubber band, just like she displayed in her quick tutorial. And then as I start pulling down, I'm like, wow, the symmetry is not popping. This is not gonna look good. And the reason why, honestly, is because I can't see. I am blind. I can't see. I'm blind, 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 blind. Ooh. And I really do need my glasses. So I had to run and go grab my glasses so that I could actually see what I was doing, and I could, make this a little bit better. So with my glasses on, I'm able to somewhat match up the symmetry a little bit better. So that's what you'll see me doing here. And I was really trying, y'all. Here I was like, all right, moment of truth. We got the bands on, and this should be perfect. I should just be able to flip it back, and my cage should be well defined like hers was. But my hair is a little different, obviously. The locks versus the straight hair is giving a slightly different result, although I still am like, okay, this is kind of sleek, a little sophisticated, but what we looking like from the back though? Okay, boring. Boring. So I was like, I still like this concept. I think I can do better, so I'm gonna try it over. Let's do over. And I was like, this is a cute little ponytail, but I would never wear my hair. You guys, I've talked about it before, just how sensitive and sore my scalp is when I try to do any kind of styles. And so when I saw this again, because it was so simple, I was like, oh, this isn't gonna take much. It won't cause any stress or strain. And as you guys can see, what I'm doing now, just to add some sort of like dimension to this style, is doing some 2-strand twist. I did not twist the roots or anything. It's just quick, random down, just to add that dimension for the cage. But for my hair, you guys, I want something that is cute, that adds a little flavor. But again, I can't go extravagant. I just can't do it. I won't take the stress. I can't have the tension headaches. So no, ma'am. And it's not right if we don't have a little dance break while we're doing our hair, because it's just me in the mirror and I need something to keep me energized. I don't know what it is, but doing my own hair has become so daunting to me that even this little simple style has me like, okay, this is taking forever. But when I added the twist and I saw the final result, I was like, okay, this is much more my style. This got a little flavor to it, and If I had some jewelry, like some like gold bangles to accentuate and cover up the rubber bands, oh yeah, that's it. So it's definitely giving businesswoman chic, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm ready to go into the office. I might be presenting a case. I'm an attorney. It's giving, you know, Cynthia at law, sensational law, sensational lawyer. Yeah. Anyway, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you tried this style, let me know, like tag me or whatever. But yeah, it definitely keeps the locks out of the face, so you know, it adds that sort of dimension. So I enjoyed that. If you guys like this video, if you guys like the little quick style, don't forget to hit a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because why haven't you subscribed? We got a lot to offer you here, and we hope to see you back. Catch y'all in the next video. Okay, bye.